morning, students. Welcome to offline classes of ninth standard. In previous part 2, we have discussed what is atom and how to find the atomic mass. What is the standard unit to find the atomic mass of different atoms? We have discussed. The standard unit we will use what? The carbon 12 atom. The carbon 12 atom is used as what? The standard unit for finding out what? The mass of different atoms. So that we have discussed in previous class, and even we have discussed what? How to name the atom. So there is a symbol they have given to name the atoms. Some atoms are having single letters, some they are having double letters, and usually we will use what? Alphabets. So if they are having one letter, we will name them with a capital letter. If they are having two letters, then we will name first letter will always be capital letter and second letter will write what? Small letters. So these are the things we have discussed in part 2. In part 3 today we are going to discuss about one of the important topic that is called the molecule. What is molecule? A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or the compound which exists independently and shows all the properties of that substance. So here the molecule is what? It is the smallest particle of an element or maybe a compound. For example, water is a molecule, H2O. It is water is a molecule. If the water, you just imagine if the water is present in a glass, it's called what? The molecule. Its value is what? H2O. If you take a drop of that water from the glass and pour onto the ground, even it's water. When you drop out, when you take out water from the glass, when you drop it on the ground, then also its value, then also we will say water. It is a water drop, and here the composition is never get changes. So that is called a molecule. They never get changes their value. So that's what. They shows all the properties of the substance independently. If you take how much water you can take, that is also water molecule. If you take a drop of water, then also we will say water, it's a water molecule. They never get the changes. That is called water molecule. So what is what? It is what is molecule? It is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. A molecule is a group of two or more elements that are held together by attractive force. So I already told you the water. Water is what? Made up of water, hydrogen and oxygen. So these hydrogen and oxygen are held together by strong attractive forces, and that makes as water and one molecule. Atoms of the same element or different elements can join together to form molecules. Here, you just see here N and N. There are two the same elements, the atoms of same element. So here the atoms of same element. This is what the two atoms are there. They have held together to form one molecule. Here also two atoms are there. So they are of same element. What is that? Oxygen is two element. Oxygen is one element of two atoms. Oxygen 1, oxygen 2. This held together and makes a molecule. Here you just see. But here you just see. Here also hydrogen and nitrogen. Oxygen and nitrogen. We just see here nitrogen dioxide. There are two different elements are there. So two different elements of different elements of atoms. Oxygen is one atom, nitrogen is one mole. So these are held together and makes us one element. One molecule. Here it is the molecule. What is molecule? Atoms of the same element or same element. Atoms of the same element or different elements can join together to form molecule. So this is also one molecule. This is also one molecule, and this is also one molecule. Here you just see having the same atoms, but here you having different atoms of different element. So this is called molecule. Okay. Next we go for molecule of element. Molecule of an element contains atoms of the same element. So as we have discussed, molecule of an element contains atoms of the same element. You just see organ. It makes a molecule of same element. So there are one organ and another organ becomes a molecule. Molecules of the some elements contain only one atom. This is Argon contain only one atom, so that becomes as what, one molecule. And molecules of some elements contain two or more atoms. Here you just see helium. It is a molecule which contain what, only one atom, and argon is also contain only one atom and becomes a molecule. Whereas you just see here some non-metals, or some here you just see here they are made up of two. There are two oxygen atoms makes as what, one oxygen molecule. There are two oxygen are there, O2. There are two atoms, oxygen together bind frame as what, oxygen molecule. You just see two here, two, here two, and these are all the non-metals. You just see here, sodium, it is having only one atom and makes a water molecule. This is what called as water, atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity of element is a number of atoms present in one molecule of the element. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity. The oxygen atomicity is what? 2. Hydrogen atomicity is what? 2. Whereas phosphorus atomicity is what? 4. Means 4 phosphorus atoms becomes as what? 1 phosphorus molecule. So this is what atomicity of an element. So understood what is molecule? Molecule is what? Molecule is nothing but water. It is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. Next, molecule of compounds. So we have seen that molecules. We have seen that molecules of element. If the molecule made up of water, same atoms or different atoms, that is called what? Molecule of element. Here compound. What is it? Molecule of a compound contains atoms of 2 or more different types of elements with different proportions. That is called compounds. You just see here water. There are 2 hydrogen atoms are there, 1 oxygen atoms are there. This is called as water, one compound. Definite proportions. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen, definite proportions. Okay, you see 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms makes one compound. This should present. See, compound is made up of water, different atoms. They contain different atoms. 2 or more and with definite proportions. You just see ammonia, NH3 should have 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms makes as water, one compound with a definite proportion. Just see carbon dioxide, 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms combined together makes as water, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, see 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen. So like this, the hydrochloric acid, it consisting of water, hydrogen and chlorine. How much it is present? There is 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine atom being mixed in water, 1 compound. Like this, what is compound? The compound is water. Molecule of a compound contains atoms of 2 or more different types of elements with a definite proportions. This is called what? Molecules of a compound. In the next class, we will discuss remaining topic of the chapter. Thank you.